differentiation. First formulas. Derivative of d means derivative. Derivative of any constant. Derivative of any constant equal to 0. Second one. Derivative of c into f of x equal c into derivative of f of x. C into d means derivative. Derivative of f of x. What is the difference between this c and this c? First c is the arbitrary constant, individual constant, and this c is the coefficient of x. For example, derivative of 7x. What is the difference between these two 7s? Derivative of any individual constant 0. Derivative of 7x, 7 into derivative of x. Write 7 as this. Why? This is the coefficient of the variable x. Coefficient of the variable x. So they are the difference between two. Next. Third one. Derivative of x equal to 1. Derivative of x power n. N into x power n minus 1. Derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x. Derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. Derivative of seventh one. Derivative of log x equal to 1 by x. Derivative of e power x. Derivative of a power x. Into log a. What is difference between these two formulas? Other than e, we treat as a. Other than the letter e, we treat as a. So derivative of 2 power x. So this is a. We apply this formula. A power x into log a. So 2 power x into log 2. So these are the formulas. Next. Tenth formula. C. They are the differentiation of the trigonometric functions. Derivative of sin x equal to cos x. derivative of cos x, derivative of cos x minus sin x, derivative of tan x, secant square x, secant square x, derivative of cot x minus cosecant square x, derivative of secant x, secant x into tan x, secant x into tan x, derivative of cosecant x minus cosecant x minus cosecant x into cot x, into cot x. Next, 16. Derivative of sin inverse x, sin inverse x 1 by under root 1 minus x square, derivative of cos inverse x, cos inverse x minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Observe what is the difference between these two formulas. These two formulas, say function is same, 1 by under root 1 minus x square. So difference is only plus 1 and minus 1. Next, 18th formula, derivative of tan inverse x, tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square, derivative of cot inverse x minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Here also plus 1 minus 1, plus minus difference, function is same. 20. Derivative of secant inverse x 1 by x into root over 1 by x into root over x square minus 1, derivative of cosecant inverse x minus 1 by x into under root x square minus 1, x square minus 1. Here also the difference between these two, plus and minus, same function, plus to minus, same function, plus to minus, same function, plus to minus. So these are the trigonometric formulas, derivatives of the trigonometric functions. These are the inverse trigonometric functions. They are called inverse trigonometric functions: sin inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, cot inverse, secant inverse, and cosecant inverse. They are the inverse trigonometric functions. So their derivative formulas. Next. Next 22. Next 22.